How to turn on or turn off camera composition guide on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, go down to the general section. And then tap on composition guide. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can choose grid lines and level, or grid lines only, or level only. Here if I go back to my camera, you can see now we have the composition guide. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.